Do you face daily challenges in managing your real estate operations? Recurring problems, financial pressure, and unclear decisions? Struggling to track lease expirations 30 days in advance? Receiving checks without tax invoices and facing accounting gaps? Having issues managing tax setup and contract accuracy? Trouble complying with electronic invoicing regulations? Still calculating VAT manually and risking costly errors? Unaware of vacant units and missing valuable rental opportunities? Making investment decisions without accurate insights and losing potential profits? All of these problems and more are solved with Hinawi ERP's Real Estate Management Module. Automated alerts for upcoming lease expirations. Official tax invoices fully compliant with government regulations. Full control of check collection and tracking. Seamless e-invoicing integration. Automatic error-free VAT calculations. Real-time vacancy reports. Smart dashboards. And insights to support confident decision-making. Don't let chaos take control of your business. Start today and gain full control over every detail in your real estate management.